Welcome to United Granite, your destination for premium stone surfaces. Proudly serving Pennsylvania with two stunning showrooms, Colmer and Trooper. Step inside and discover a world of natural beauty and timeless design. Get inspired by our curated kitchen displays with a variety of premium countertops. Elevate your living space with custom stone, perfect for fireplaces, feature walls, and cozy corners. Add the perfect finishing touch with our wide range of edge profiles. Need a sink too? We've got you covered with stylish, durable options. Over 5,000 slabs in stock, carefully selected for every taste and style. We bring your vision to life in our custom design spaces. From concept to completion, our team is here to guide your vision every step of the way. Sit back, relax, and enjoy a coffee while we take care of every detail. Your dream, our mission. United Granite.